possible candidacy of Mayor Duterte has always been parang in play pagdating sa surveys, pagdating sa mga analysis. Kasi, di ba, pag may survey, palagi naman nandun yung name niya. Palagi naman lumalabas. So I think now, parang he was always treated as a candidate even before. So even now, ngayon na nag-declare na siya, I don't think may major changes naman. And yung sa issue ng Mindanaoans, whether may mag-shift ng support, sa tingin namin, for me, hindi naman kami parang regionalistic na basta may candidate na from our place, automatic na iso-support namin. We always look at the qualifications and kung sino yung pinaka-capable talaga. And we believe that is Secretary Mo. So I don't think na may ganong regionalistic na thing na mangyayari. So I think he has always been treated as a candidate. Yung mga analysis, yung mga survey, it's always there. So I don't think it would make a very big difference pagdating na officially na nag-declare siya.